morning, everyone. In my today's presentation, I'm going to present about GitLab CI/CD. It is a tool which helps teams automatically build, test, secure, and deploy application. GitLab combines everything needed for the DevOps into a single platform. Let's see what is GitLab. It is a all-in-one DevOps platform. Instead of using different tools for code, CI/CD, security, and deployment, GitLab gives everything in one single application. It creates one workflow and one source of truth for entire team. Let's see why GitLab is used. Traditionally, teams use Jenkins for CI, Sonar for code quality, scripts for deployment, and separate security tools, where GitLab replaces all of them within a single integrated system. And also, security is built into the pipeline itself and it is not added later. It works well for startup as well as for large enterprises. Let's see about the architecture components. Like it has five major parts like GitLab server, GitLab runner, CI/CD pipeline, container registry, and deployment target. Let's start one by one. Like GitLab server, it is the brain. It manages code, pipelines, users, and permissions. Second one is GitLab runners. These are workers that actually run jobs like build, test, and deploy. CI/CD pipeline. It is defined using GitLab CI.yaml, which tells GitLab exactly what steps need to be run. And container registry. It stores Docker images and build artifacts. And the final one is deployment targets, where the app is needed to be deployed, whether in Kubernetes, cloud, or on-premises server. Those things are defined in this deployment targets. And the workflow of this is code is pushed, pipeline will be triggered, and the Docker image is built, tested, and security scans will happen. And finally, the application will be deployed. Let's see how it works. Like developer creates a new branch. A developer starts working on a new feature in a separate branch. Once it is done, he pushes those code into the GitLab. GitLab. When the code is pushed, GitLab automatically detects it and continuous integration starts, where GitLab triggers the pipeline automatically, build runs, test executes, and code quality and security checks happen. And here we have got a feature like review app where GitLab can create a temporary review environment so that team can test changes before merging. And review and approval section where team members review the code and approve it. Once approved, the code is merged. And then continuous deployment stage starts where GitLab automatically builds, tests, and deploys the application to production. Let's see what are the problems are being solved using this. Like we are getting fully automated pipelines across the lifecycle and one unified DevSecOps platform, and everything is automated. Security issues are caught early, and the entire lifecycle is visible in one dashboard. Let's see it with a real-time example. Assuming a e-commerce application where the developer pushes the code, GitHub identify the push and automatically triggers, and the pipeline starts running, and the test got built. It automatically builds the Docker image and pushes through ECR, and security scans started to execute at every stage. And these Docker images are stored in ECR. And finally, the CD part where it got deployed to Kubernetes in 2 minutes. The outcome we are getting from this is faster releases with zero compromise on security. Let's see what are the key benefits we are getting by using GitLab CI/CD, like speed, faster delivery to customers, cost, no need to manage multiple tools, visibility, full pipeline visibility from end to end, security, shift left security built into CI/CD. Let's end it with the call to action like by adopting GitLab, organizations can ship software faster, safer, and smart. Thank you.